going to Hudayriat Beach, Abu Dhabi. It is not our first time to visit this place, but because it is very clean, spacious, and not crowded, it has become one of our favorite beaches in the UAE. Also, this beach is free for the public, and there is a huge kids play area, sand beds, and toilets and showers that you can use. So now, just relax and join with us as we take you to a tour and enjoy the beauty of the summer with this amazing white sand, blue sea, and our family in Hudayriat Beach today. Have fun! The place is so clean, not crowded, with a very relaxing environment. A perfect place to bring your family and get unwind for some time. It's because this place is for free. Yes, you can come to visit this beautiful place and enjoy some of its amenities for free. Wow, diba? Also, there are a number of sandbeds available with and without umbrella that you can use for free. During this time, it is low tide and the sea is perfectly calm with no waves and no wind. Even this place is for free, you will see that there is a lifeguard on duty. This is our sunbed together with shawarma that we are going to eat later for our breakfast. And now it's swimming time. So while they are still enjoying, let me show you what's in the other side. We are going to the kids' play area over there. The part where kids will surely enjoy the fun and excitement with lots of activities like the swing, slide, and many more. toilets and the shower room area. Hello everyone. I'm here in Hudayriat Beach, Abu Dhabi. So the weather is a bit humid. Medyo maraming tao ngayon here. The white beach, the white sand there, and the blue ocean. Check natin ang water. If it's cold or masarap bang maligo. So there is the guard over there. Hi, Jatnal. Let's check the water. Wow, the water is nice. It's nice. The water is nice. Sabi ni Tata. It's not cold. Wow.
Really pleasurable water.
Show me how you swim. Show me how you swim. Come here, Jatnal. Ayun sila. Takot ba sila? There. So this is the full view of the Hudayriat. Slowly.
Look up here, Daniel. Show how you swim. Na-under ba? Na-under swim. Swim! Ay!
Para kang palaka.
Jatnil swim. Ang alat at tubig. So